Drainer grooves. Here you can see the jig used to guide the router for cutting the drainer grooves into the surface of the worktop. The lines on the jig indicate where the edge of the sink should be in relation to the jig to ensure that the drainer grooves are cut in the correct position. With the normal guide bush, this is a simple routing operation with a domed router bit. Applying masking tape to the sides of the jig assists in containing debris created by this process. As you can see, as the router moves along, the grooves are then made. This operation requires two passes, one running along the near side edge of the jig groove and the second running along the far edge. This jig allows a fall away to the sink to be produced, as it is angled at a 1.5 degree slant. This enables water to drain through the grooves. We recommend that the start of the groove is at least 2 to 3 millimeters deep for ease of finishing. This process is repeated as required along the jig to leave a full set of drainer grooves in the worktop. Once the grooves have been cut, a small piece of sandpaper should be used to smooth out any lines in the grooves and again the dust removed. This can then be followed with an alcohol wipe to remove all debris. The result is an attractive design feature with an effective depth to allow for excess water to flow back into the sink. Remember, the continual removal of debris ensures smooth and consistent router travel. Be sure to correctly position the jig against the edge of the sink. Only position clamps on the side gradient strips of the jig. Ensure clamps do not hinder router travel.